Hey sis, how you doing? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivienne-Karlene and I hope today you are feeling blessed and not stressed. This is part 2 of the Tiffany and Fred handbag haul. At this point, it's a handbag haul because this is my second box of the day. I was heading to the garden and the UPS man rang the doorbell and now I'm in here and we are doing another unboxing. Sis, when I tell you that you guys really helped me pick a few bags to try from Tiffany and Fred Paris, I just want to say thank you. And even though you weren't convinced that I would get a bag of this color, I sure did because I had to see it. I had to see what this pink bag was looking like because on the website she was giving all the Chanel vibes. Okay? She's a cutie. Look at the chain, look at the hardware, look at the quilting, look at the shape of this bag. She's cute. We're going to get into her, not today, but later. Let's look at bag number 2. Bag number 2, as soon as I saw this bag online, I was like, wait a minute. This is giving me Coach quilted Madison vibes in the coral color. Now, I have that bag in my collection, but I don't wear her often. And I kind of like the shape of this bag better. So I wanted to see what this color was about. And she's giving... She pretty. This is bag number 2. Bag number 3. Girl, as soon as I saw bag number 3 on that website, I said, I know you lying. I know this is not the Gucci bag that I was going to save up for Mother's Day this year. The $3,000+ Gucci bag that I just ordered for around $200. Oh my goodness. Sis, do you see this? Okay. I still have to get into the garden today. Okay. I have to get into the garden today. But in the meantime, I want you to go ahead and tell me which bag you want us to review first. This cute little pink bag, Chanel, or this coral bag that's also giving Chanel, or do you want us to start with this classic Gucci inspired bag? Let me know in the comments, girl. I got to get back into the garden, and I will see you soon in a review video of Tiffany and Fred Paris. Bye.